Okay, now with my anchor trolley, I added a pad eye on the front, and then I put a little bit of bungee there for some stretch, a little bit of give. Then I added the stainless pulley. And then I ran my line through here, added the anchor rope triangle on there. And since I have this ocean kayak, I added another pad eye in the middle to hold the rope in the center to keep it from going down too far or too high. And depending on what kind of kayak you have, you just have to customize it. And since I have this on here, my triangle won't go back to the rear, so I added another one to go to the rear of the kayak with my anchor. Then you come back around, another attachment point. I added this clamp onto my trolling motor bracket. Come back around, do the pulley, back through the pad eye, and all the way around to the front through the pulley again, and then there's your complete loop. The anchor I'm using is a 3-pound grappling type anchor, and I'm going to also make it to where it has a quick break system on it in case it gets hung up. And on the crown end, I tied my 1/4-inch line with a halliburd knot, and then I put some heat shrink over the tag line to hold it. And let that cool down. Now we'll put a tie wrap right here. Now I take a small tie wrap and tie wrap the anchor rope to the eye. Now when I deploy the anchor, this will be plenty enough to hold the kayak. But if it gets hung up on something, you pull this anchor rope real hard, and then it spins around and just comes right out of where it's stuck. Then I carry a couple of spare tie wraps with you in case you do have to break it. Now what I do with my anchor rope is I put it through the triangle and I clip it off put out as much as I need. And wrap it around the zigzag cleat. Depending on whether I want it on the front or the back. And the float is going to come up to the top. Now if I get on a big fish, or for some reason I want to just drop my anchor, I just undo it from the cleat and snap it. I'm chasing the fish, kayak's drifting away. The float comes up to however deep the water is, and I can come back and I see the float and there's my anchor, and I pick it up and start over.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.